Hi guys, I'm Marina from explorelife, and today I want to show you how to install a Guglatech Mazinga filter on my fuel pump. On my bike I don't really have a good fuel filtration system. Because of that I bought this. It is like a filter that I can put over my pump. So for that I have to remove my fuel pump, and to get to my fuel pump I have to remove my tank. So first of all, let's remove the side covers, and after it's the tank. So now I have my tank here. It's upside down, and this is my fuel pump. So we're gonna remove it. So let's see. So there's no cable and nothing. And so this is my pump. So this is now my fuel pump, and as we can see, here is a filter. It is pretty dirty. If you ever have to buy a new pump, you just need this thing new, because this is your pump. You don't have to buy the whole thing, you just need this one. Now we can start with the installation of the Mazinga filter. We can just put the pump inside this sock. You can start in this position. It's not so easy to get it inside because it's very tight, but if you're a little bit patient, it will work. It's very important that it fits very well onto this metal thing on the bottom. You also had a wire in your package, and you can secure the Mazinga filter on the pump with this wire. Make sure to put the ends in a good position that they can't hurt the Mazinga filter. We are done with the Mazinga filter and we can reinstall it back into the tank. Here's the fuel level sensor. If you reinstall the filter, make sure that the Mazinga doesn't touch the sensor, otherwise you will have problems with the fuel filter display. Make sure that the connector for the fuel hose is in the right position. Now you can tighten the screws again. I like to use some thread locker.